Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So CBSE की photocopy आ गई आपके पास and now you are sitting there staring at your answer sheet wondering अब क्या करूं? Should I apply for verification? Should I go for re-evaluation? Or should I just leave it? I totally understand that confusion, and that's exactly why I made this video today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete step-by-step process of how to apply for CBSE verification and re-evaluation in 2025-26, from checking your eligibility all the way to submitting your application and tracking your status. So make sure you watch this video till the very end because I have also got something special for you at the end of this video. Let us get started. Point number one, before you jump into the steps, let me quickly explain what verification and revaluation actually mean, because a lot of students get confused between the two. So let us see what is verification means. CBSE will check whether all answers have been evaluated, whether the marks have been totaled correctly, and whether there are any calculation mistakes. It's basically a marks checking process. Reevaluation, on the other hand, means a senior examiner will actually recheck and reread your answers and re-award marks based on their judgment. And then there is a third option, both verification and re-evaluation together. Now the important thing to remember is you can apply for only one type. So think carefully before you choose. And once you submit, you cannot change it. So please don't rush this decision. All right, let us start with step number one, that is eligibility. Now, this is something most students miss and then wonder why they can't apply. Listen to it carefully. You can only apply for verification or re-evaluation if you have already applied for the photocopy of your answer book. Yes, photocopy application is mandatory first. If you haven't done that yet, you need to do that before anything else. So, if you have already applied for photocopy, great. You are eligible. Keep watching. And if you haven't, pause this video right now. Go apply for photocopy first and then come back here. But the deadline is over now, so it won't be possible. Also, keep two things ready before you proceed, your roll number and your admit card ID. You will need both to log in. Step number two, log in. Log in using your roll number and admit card ID. Go to the official CBSE website, cbse.gov.in. Make sure you are on the official website only. Don't fall for any fake or the third-party websites. On the login page, enter your roll number and your admit card ID. Now, if you have forgotten your details, don't panic. There is a forgot detail option right there on the login page. Just click that and follow the steps. Once you have logged in, you will land on your dashboard. From the left side menu, look for the options that says verification and re-evaluation and click on it. Simple as that. Step number three, and this is a very important one. Select your application type. Once you are in the verification and re-evaluation section, you will see three options. Option number one, verification only. Choose if you just want your marks to be rechecked. for any totaling or calculation errors. Option number 2, reevaluation. Only choose this if you feel your answers weren't checked properly and you want a fresh evaluation by a senior examiner. Option number 3, both verification and reevaluation. Choose this if you want both services together. Now, here is the most important thing I want you to remember. You can only apply once. Modification is not allowed after final submission. So please sit down, look at your photocopy carefully, discuss with your parents or teachers if needed, and then make your decision. Don't rush this step. Step number 4, fill in your application details. Now, the details you fill in will depend on which application type you selected. If you selected verification, only you will need to select the subjects from your main exam and your improvement exam that you want verified. If you selected reevaluation only, you will first select the subject and then you will also need to select the specific question number like question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and so on that you want reevaluated. So make sure you have gone through your photocopy properly and noted down exactly which questions you want rechecked. And if you selected both, you will need to fill in both the sets of details, verification subjects and reevaluation subjects with question numbers. Take your time here. Don't be in a hurry. Fill everything correctly because once submitted, you cannot go back and change anything. Double check everything before you move to the next step. Step number 5, payment and submission. You are almost done. Once you have filled in all your details, you will see the total amount payable on screen. You can pay using UPI, debit card, credit card, or net banking, whichever is convenient for you. Once the payment is successful, you will see a confirmation message on screen with your application ID and the date of submission. Please take a screenshot of this. You will need it for future reference. And that's it. Your application is submitted. Now, to track your application status, go back to your dashboard and click on check status. You will be able to see exactly where your application is, whether it's submitted, payment done, processing, ready, or completed. And that's your complete guide to applying for CBSE verification and reevaluation. In 2025-26, in just 5 simple steps, let me quickly recap for you. Step number 1, check your eligibility. Step number 2, log in with your roll number and admit card. Step number 3, select your application type carefully. Step number 4, fill in your subject and question details. Step number 5, pay the fees and track your status. Now, here is what I want you to do. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps this channel grow. Share this video with your friends and classmates who appeared in CBSE exams. They might be looking for exactly this information right now. And if you want this complete guide as a PDF, just comment PDF below and I shall send it straight to your DM. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any important CBSE updates. All the very best for your results. You have got this. I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.